In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new tab in Google Chrome. Need more space to browse? This quick walkthrough shows 3 easy ways to pop open a fresh tab, so you can check one more site, compare pages side by side, or keep your work and play neatly separated without losing your place. We'll cover a simple click, a helpful right-click option for organization, and the fastest keyboard shortcut, so you can choose the method that suits how you like to browse. Let's start with the simplest click. Look to the very top of Chrome, along the tab bar where your open pages sit. On the far right of your existing tabs, you'll see a small plus icon. Click it once, and a brand new tab appears instantly. Chrome automatically focuses the address bar for you, so you can start typing a website or a search right away. If your tab row looks crowded, slide your mouse to the end of the tabs and that plus will still be there. And if your window is a bit narrow, maximizing it can make that button easier to spot. Next, try a quick right-click to keep things organized. On any tab you already have open, right-click to open the tab menu, then choose New Tab to the right. Chrome places your new tab directly beside the one you clicked. This is perfect for opening a related article, a reference page, or a second document without scattering your focus across the tab bar. Using this option helps you keep similar pages together, which makes it easier to switch back and forth. If you're on a trackpad, a 2-finger click opens the same menu. Finally, use the fastest method, the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl and T together, Ctrl plus T. The moment you press it, Chrome spins up a new tab and moves your cursor to the address bar. It's ideal when your hands are already on the keyboard and you don't want to reach for the mouse. If it doesn't respond, make sure the Chrome window is active by clicking it once, then try again. No matter which method you use, you'll land on Chrome's new tab page, ready to search, paste a link, or jump to a favorite site. Try each method for a moment and see which one fits your routine. To recap, click the plus for a quick open, right-click a tab, and choose New Tab to the right for tidy grouping, or use Ctrl plus T for pure speed. 3 ways to open, 0 time wasted. You're all set. Done.